a glimpse at today's 3 mile. And she's got there we go. A glimpse at today's 3 mile. Took a day off yesterday. I'm kind of overwhelmed. I had 2 entire therapies in a row yesterday. And then I walked to some place and ate something I shouldn't have and wound up with a real terrible tummy ache. I won't do that again. And I've been kind of bummed because I have succeeded at the walking. 7 months ago I was paralyzed on the entire right side of my body. And the walking part's good, but man, 7 months later and I'm still having trouble with this and that. And it's like the neuroplasticity is starting to go away. That high school kid type ability to learn is disappeared. Almost. It's back to I'm just a dumb old hard hat. Except I don't have the physical strength to be a hard hat. I haven't been able to work since September 11th. I've gotten a roommate to split the rent so I can eat off Social Security, $900 a month, and it works, but it's hard. But I can't. I'm starting the big dumb yep starting to come back, and I was only good for physical labor, but now I have to probably find a way to manually. Well, I can't do physical labor anymore. In some cases, but I'm not really depressed. I can walk and stuff. I'm just kind of fatigued from all of that. And if you noticed, I'm actually getting emotion in my voice. But so it's good. And then I watched a thing on easy water, the exclusion zone water on YouTube. And that puts a whole new meaning to eating watermelon and tomatoes and stuff. Oh my, I can help my vascular system just by eating fruit, like tomatoes or something, or watermelon, and it'll really help, and it won't mess with my medicine that I'm already on. Oh, that's so good. That's something that you have to look at. I have YouTube Premium, so there's no commercials. But if you want to, you should look for easy water, exclusion zone water. It'll make a tomato it'll make a tomato like 10 times more important than any other. Anyway, recording use of the heels. I am using my heel in walking. Now I'm trying to separate my feet. They were scissoring. That's what he said. he's pretty good. Right now I've got the guy that, the therapist that knows all about walking, and another therapist that's gonna help me with other things, but that walking therapist has been really helpful. So, but so has watching that big old thing on exclusion zone water. Easy water. That's something I swear I know I'm gonna buy tomatoes when at the store next time. I know I'm gonna buy raspberries. If I can get a watermelon, I'm gonna get that. There's so many good things, but I've got to eat more plants. My doctor said eat more plants, and that includes all plants. Like beans or rice, peanuts, watermelon. There's so many different kind of plants, but I gotta eat a little more. Might be helpful with my digestive system, because last night I was really, my tummy was hurt, and I had a hard time for like 3 hours. So this morning I ate more plants. I mixed chicken with them, but I cooked up and ate some rice and some vegetables. But I can't wait till I do go to the store, because I want to try plants with exclusion zone water in them. And of course, she's at the 2 sheds that she sometimes smells a rabbit. And then there's another shed that rabbit died in the cold under that shed. So there's no rabbit under the other shed. So these 2 sheds are really the only possibility for her to smell a rabbit. And of course my walking has slowed, but I'm still really able to concentrate on my ability to step with my heel and lift off with my toes. Come on, Ladybug, let's stop dilly-dallying. I know you like. She's having this nasal extravaganza again. Anyway, yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video coming up soon, and it's been long enough of a glimpse of today's 3 miles. But just remember that easy water is, man, watermelon sounds even better. I'll see you later.